Hi guys, welcome to another Barb Stamps video. This is another one of my multi-card videos. I think I have 27 cards using the Gathered Together suite of products, and I just wanted to quickly show you these products. The suite includes the Come Together Designer Series paper. There are the 12 patterns here. It also includes the Gathered Leaves dies and the Gathered Together bundle. You can see that the dies do crop out some of the images in the stamp set, and we have a lot of fun sentiments to go along with it. The bundle also includes the ribbon combo pack, the crumb cake satiny ribbon, and then the Cajun Craze twine. And then we have the wooden elements, the tags, and feathers. And those are all in the Gathered Together suite of products. I am also offering an online class with that bundle of products, and we will talk about that later. So let's just get straight on to the cards. Here's our first card. This one uses multiple stamps in the set. We have the large leaf image here, a partial of the sentiment. So all I did was mask the rest of this off with a piece of Scotch tape, and then I inked it up, removed the Scotch tape, and then you can get just the little word. I have a little bit of the Nature's twine here in the mint macaron, some rhinestones, little splatter here, and then the wheat coming out the back. So, and the polka dots are actually from our mask set, and I did do this card on a Facebook Live, and I will link it right up here for you to check it out. Next card is a little bit of a fun fold card. You have a little space to write your message. We have a piece of the patterned paper right here on the inside, another piece on the outside, multiple layers of circles and ovals, a couple of rhinestones here from the Noble Peacock rhinestone set, and then two of the die cuts, the pumpkin and the leaf. We have one of these peekaboo cards here where you add the strip of Designer Series paper, and then you offset it by 2 strips on either side, creating a little bit of what's almost like a little peekaboo window. I love the copper accents here with the foil sheets, the leaf cropped out of that, a little bit of our copper ribbon, and then the sentiment there embossed with copper embossing powder. Here is another couple of cards that I did where I took this piece of black and then I die cut all the leaves out of it, and then I die cut leaves out of the various colors and just plop them into the negative spaces. So one of my sentiments comes from the 2 Every Season stamp set, which is very fun. It has coordinating punches for the leaf, the heart, the bat, and the snowflake, along with some great sentiments. And then this sentiment here comes in the stamp set. I've got the Pinewood Planks folder done back here, and then a few of the woven sequins for a little bit of bling in the terracotta tile color. This one uses some more of those woven threads sequins. I've got the splatter images up there in the top corner and bottom corner. Sentiment piece here, put on top of partial scallop. The scallop ribbon here, if you cover up part of it, you can get this really fun little scalloped edge there. Designer Series paper measures 3 by 4, and then we have a couple of the pumpkin die cuts. This one here uses 2 different patterns of the Designer Series paper butted up against each other. We have the sentiment here in Pretty Peacock. We have a triple bow tied with the Cajun Craze thread, and then we have 3 of the pumpkin images here stamped, colored, and punched out. And it looks to me like these pumpkins were stamped in Cajun Craze, added a tiny bit of Old Olive for the stem, and then if you take a blender pen right after you stamp this, you can blend the color out from before it actually completely dries. And then we have a layer here of Sahara sand behind the main focal point. This one is a gorgeous one that uses some copper embossing powder on the large leaves, and we have Mary Merlot with a hammered embossing folder back here. We have a crumb cake card base, crumb cake rectangle die cut, the sentiment from the stamp set stamped in Mary Merlot, copper leaf, and then we have a little bit of that copper ribbon right there. This one has a couple of the rectangle die cuts here on the front, a little bit of the wheat stamped a little bit behind there. We have the pattern paper here, and then there is a strip of mint macaron that I did stamp with the splatter image back here, a little more interest to the card. A tiny little strip of mint macaron with the sentiment stamped on there. I tied a tiny little bow with the Cajun Craze twine and did add it with a glue dot. The pumpkins were stamped in Cajun Craze, and then I colored them with the light Cajun Craze Stamp and Blend marker. Here's a fun pocket card that I created to kick off the announcement of my online class. I will link the video for this card up here so you can check it out if you want to learn how to make it. We've got some of the gorgeous, gorgeous satin ribbon that ties around the whole thing, a couple of square die cuts, This leaf was actually stamped on the patterned paper and then die cut. These two detailed leaves out of mint macaron, and then the pumpkins are gray granite. This is a very simple card here that uses a terracotta tile and very vanilla, along with some mossy meadow. And then we have the 3 wheat images stamped down here in mossy meadow, Mary Merlot, and terracotta tile. Then we have the splatter image here done in terracotta tile. Sentiment piece is our tailored tag punch with one of our oval die cuts. And then we have, you can see the twine wrapped around that fun little accent. Very traditional fallish card with the brown and copper. We have the Delicata copper ink stamped on this leaf here. Look how shiny that is. It's so pretty. Multiple leaves cropped out of different colors of cardstock, mint macaron and pretty peacock. The duo pumpkin stamped in mint on white and cropped out. And then we have this fun strip of the ribbon here underneath all the leaves to a piece of the designer series paper, and then some pearls to finish that off. Oh, and there is the pine wood planks folder on this front layer in early espresso. This one here, again, with that same design where you stamp the large leaf on the designer series paper and then crop it out. 2 more leaves. We have one in soft seafoam, one in pool party. This one here has the large leaf image stamped in pool party on pool party. Card base of pretty peacock. And then we have our sentiment strip here. And again, with the ribbon where you just kind of add your sentiment strip right over that scallop to add that detail. And then we have a little bit of this silver metallic twine wrapped around and put behind everything, and then some of the wheat images. All right, moving on to this one where we have added a fun little accent piece that comes to us from the Frosted Bouquet die set. It's this little guy right up here, and it's a super cute edition in Mary Merlot. Then we have the pine wood planks folder on the early espresso piece back here, a bunch of the leaves, and these leaves actually look like they were inked up first. So if you take your leaf and you tap it into your ink pad, you can then run it through your machine and it will leave the ink. And I have a trick for you. If you add a magnet to your die first, then you have a little handle, and then you can just open up an ink pad, and then you can just ink your stamp. So you have like a little handle to hold on to. So ink your stamp, ink your die, and then you just place that in your cardstock, run it through your die cutting machine, and you end up with leaves that have ink in the centers of them. So it's a very cool technique, and I hope that magnet tip helps you guys out. The rest of the card, like I said, the Mary Merlot little fun accents. We have some rhinestones that were colored with, looks like the light Cajun Craze marker, a bit of the designer series paper, all mounted on a pretty peacock card base. I'm going to stop the cards for just a moment to talk to you guys about my online class using this bundle of products. So the bundle of products are the designer series paper. Here are these 6 patterns. Let me flip it over. And here are the other side. So we use the designer series paper. We use the bundle, which is the gathered together stamp set and the gathered leaves dies. And of course, here's the little cheat sheet for the dies. And then the kit, the bundle also includes the tags and feathers elements. So we have these 2 different styles of feathers, wooden feathers, and then we have the tree cookies. And then we have the Come Together ribbon combo pack, which is this gorgeous crumb cake satin ribbon, and the Cajun Craze twine. The online class itself is $25. It includes 8 cards plus a boxed set of 4 cards, so 12 cards plus a box. And there are videos and written instructions for every project in the class. I won't be showing any of those cards in this class. They are exclusive to the class. The cost is $25, or if you purchase this bundle of products from me for $90, you will get the class for free. You can get all the information on my blog at barbstamps.com. Click the online classes link, and you can do your shopping. I have lots of other classes that are available for sale. Let's get back to the cards. This one, we have a large panel of the designer series paper mounted onto a smaller piece of pretty peacock. This piece of mint macaron here was, it's got the suede technique on it. And I'm not sure if you know what that is. You take any piece of cardstock and your bone folder, and then you just start curling it like you would a piece of ribbon. And you want to be pretty aggressive with it because you want to tear down the fibers in the cardstock, and you want it to start to split. Okay. So you just keep doing this. Like I said, you're pretty aggressive, pretty rough. Cardstock's pretty tough. And then you can see that the cardstock will start to peel apart up here. Whoops, I don't have any fingernails, so this kind of apart is difficult, but as you get it really worn down, it will tear apart. And then you have that gorgeous suede look to that card. So actually you can get 2 pieces out of each. If you kept going with this, you would end up with 2 pieces of the suede cardstock. And so that's how this banner piece was done. We have a little knotted piece right there, and then we have the sentiment and a pumpkin. Got this card here where we have the background stamped with the large leaf in Early Espresso on Early Espresso, and then this layer was run through the Big Shot with the subtle embossing folder. We have a partial nested die here. You can see it actually should have a point on this end, but that was cut off to make a fun banner to hang down. Here's those leaves, again, dipped into the ink first before they were die cut. A couple of the circles, leaf image, and the sentiment, and then of course the gorgeous ribbon wrapped around the whole thing. This is a bit of a technique-y type card where you can have, it's a gatefold, and I believe this is not a card that I made. Somebody gave this to me in a swap. I believe the leaf die was put, these pieces were folded together. The leaf die was put inside of the card face up so that the cutting edge was up. Run through your machine, and then you can get that piece cut out, and then you just pop that leaf right into the negative space of both sides. And then we have the sentiment piece here and a little bow done with the Cajun Craze Baker's Twine. Moving on to this card here, we have our Happy Thanksgiving sentiment that comes to us from the Day of Thanks stamp set on page 49 in the holiday catalog. And we have that stamped on a large oval here. We've got a couple of the faceted dots in the pretty peacock color, a couple of pieces of the ribbon here, a couple pieces of the designer series paper. I love all these layers on this card. So we've got the paper Early Espresso crumb cake, the paper Early Espresso pretty peacock, Early Espresso and crumb cake for the pumpkins. This has to be my absolute favorite piece of paper in the entire package. I just live for this color, and I love it that they paired these 2 colors together. I never would do that if I hadn't seen Stampin' Up! Do it first. Cajun Craze and Mary Merlot are gorgeous together. So we have the designer series paper, we have the thank you sentiment, we have the splatter all back here on the background of Sahara Sand. Again, the bunch of leaves here, we have a little Baker's Twine double bow. You can see that that ribbon is just barely underneath the layer of designer series paper, and it just really looks stunning. This one here, we've got the designer series paper layer onto a layer of pretty peacock onto a Sahara Sand card base. We have that gorgeous large leaf stamped and die cut, a little strip of paper for the sentiment, and then the gorgeous ribbon wrapped around the whole thing. This is just a super simple but really stunning card. This one here, love the color combination of Blackberry Bliss and Pumpkin Pie. Then we have a circle with some of the patterned paper. We have the ribbon knot here. We have the Cajun Craze cardstock and the Pumpkin Pie cardstock, both stamped with Blackberry Bliss. And then we have the gorgeous copper foil leaf there. And then there is a bit of splatter on the background here, and I'll give you a quick tutorial on that. Move this out of the way because I don't want to ruin my card. Bring in some scrap papers, and if you take your marker and you take it and you flick it from your cap, you can see how I get all those red flicks, and that is how you do that technique. Pretty simple, but very stunning. It does wear out your tip a little bit faster than normal, but hey, it's for the crafting, right? And we've got this one here. I love the white on white background, and then we have the strips of designer series paper that measure 1 by 3. There's 4 of them. Another nested label that was run through the subtle folder. Stamped sentiment in pretty peacock. Then we have Mary Merlot, Cajun Craze, and pretty peacock leaves. And then we have one of these fun frosted dots here, along with some of the polka dot ribbon to wrap around the whole thing. This one brings in one of our cups from the Cup of Christmas stamp set. So we have the little die cut here with the sentiment. The Wishing You Well is from the Gather Together set. This is kind of a pocket card where that little piece comes out. We have the 2 leaf images here, the Mary Merlot and the copper, circles in Early Espresso and Cajun Craze, and then we have the designer series paper triangles put together to make the pocket. And I love this little thing here, designer series paper used as a ribbon, so it coordinates perfectly. Great idea. This one here, we've got the background layer of Pretty Peacock run through the subtle embossing folder, very popular folder for this particular suite of products. We've got the Fun Leaf and Pear Pizzazz, designer series paper sections back here, the sentiment, and then a bit of the Baker's Twine to finish that off. And we've got this one here with the Pretty Peacock card base. We've got the plaid piece of designer series paper, and then the pumpkin piece here. A few of the pumpkins cropped out after they're stamped. Little sentiment piece done again with some masking technique. And then we have these fun copper stars, and they come to us from the Brightly Gleaming Suite on page 31 in the holiday catalog, and they're the Star Designer Elements. This is a very fun fold card. Look at that. How fun is that? And look at all the stamping you get to do on this. So you've got the leaves, the pumpkins, the wheat, the splatter, the sentiment. We've got crushed curry, terracotta tile, mossy meadow, pumpkin pie. We have mossy meadow terracotta tile, very vanilla card stocks. We have a leaf from the leaf elements. And then we have some faceted dots in terracotta tile, and then our sentiment piece. So super fun card. These last two cards use the Designer Series paper, but not necessarily the stamps or anything else, but I thought they were really fun. So this one here, we have the fun Birds of a Feather stamp set. Aren't those birds just adorable? And I love that for a Thanksgiving card. And so that was cut out with some scissors after it was colored. And we have another one of those leaf accents here with the Cajun Craze twine. And this is a fun fold card a little bit. Open that up. And then this one here uses another set in the holiday catalog on page 49, the Harvest Hellos. So you can make pumpkins or apples with that. And then of course it has that coordinating punch. So here we have a pumpkin. And then we have the leaf image also from the same stamp set. And then of course the sentiment. So that's just another way you can incorporate the Designer Series paper. So that's it, guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I always appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel right down here in the corner. And then you'll be notified when I upload more of these videos. And I do have another one coming out very soon for the Let It Snow bundle. So here are all the cards. Again, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you need to order any supplies, I would love your business at shoppingwithbarb.com. I always offer free gifts with purchase. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.